Imagine waking up tomorrow. You open Instagram or X. You see a photo you posted, and it has thousands of likes, hundreds of comments, telling you how great you look. You feel seen. You feel connected. But then, you look closer. You realize the profile pictures are slightly deformed. The usernames are random strings of numbers talking to machines. Welcome to the dead internet. For years, the dead internet theory was treated as a crazy, midnight conspiracy. The idea was simple. The internet died around 2016, and real humans were quietly replaced by AI. But it's no longer a conspiracy. According to cybersecurity reports, nearly 50% of traffic is bots. But wait, it gets worse. These aren't simple spam bots. Today's AI can mimic human outrage, empathy, and humor. They argue in comments. They create TikTok trends. They influence elections. Data suggests in viral threads. Humans are the minority. You are the tourist in their world. Tech experts call this model collapse. AI is no longer training on human data. It's training on AI garbage. Originality is erased. But if you look closely, the scariest part isn't that machines are replacing us. The scary part is that humans have started behaving like machines. Scroll your feed for 5 minutes. You'll hear the same audio, the same editing style, the exact same opinions. We became obsessed with the algorithm, desperate for views. We automated our personalities. We became the bots. So, where did real humans go? Researchers call it the dark forest, because the public internet is a mathematical war zone. Real humans are hiding. We've retreated to private group chats, locked Discord servers. We aren't leaving because technology is bad. We are leaving because we are desperately lonely. We want to be seen for who we are, not how we perform for a machine. When this video ends, you'll scroll the comments, read hundreds of opinions, but ask yourself, how many words came from a beating heart? And when was the last time you posted something uniquely human? Maybe the internet didn't die. Maybe we just forgot how to be alive.